What do you need to move people? How do you put some life into a machine? How do you take advantage of the power of nature? To all those questions, we have found the correct answer. The most important thing is the right connection. To always have the ideal product, individually manufactured and custom made for each demand. We solve problems quickly and reliably where others have already given up. This is the task of our competent and motivated staff members who do their best each and every day. The result, a product that meets the highest demands, outstanding and robust. Manufactured at a place that combines tradition and innovation. All this in a family business that looks back on decades of experience. Customers in more than 40 countries worldwide place their trust in us. They rely on us to always have the optimum connection. We are SAB.